Hey there, it's your host Dan. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to be doing a little carpet cleaning. This is something that you might otherwise hire a professional, outsource that to get it done, but you can easily get it done yourself. A little bit of an investment buying the actual steam cleaner itself, but once you do that, it pretty much costs you nothing each time your carpet gets dirty, and my carpet's pretty dang dirty. See, I got my helpers over there. They're assisting here in the corner. This is the Hoover Power Scrub Elite. It's the pet version, comprised of the steam cleaner, and also it comes with an accessory kit which gives you an extension hose so you can do smaller areas, and it comes with a little bottle of detergent as well. Up top is the reservoir. It's very simple to remove. It's just a one button press and it's released. Putting it back in couldn't be any simpler. Clicks right into place. You got the two fills here. You've got one for the water and one for the solution. Just fill those up. We use hot water, about as hot as we can get it. We pour it into the water side. We do a little solution when we're cleaning, and then when we're not rinsing, we don't need any solution. But down here, there's a dial that goes between wash or just rinse. So if you still have some solution in this side, you can have it on the rinse side and it's not coming through here as you use the machine. And then on the front, to release this bucket, which will collect all that dirty, filthy scum water that you've extracted from your carpet, pretty easy. It's just got that little pop-up. It comes right off. It's pretty simple. You can just put that on there. Bam! It's as easy as one of those plastic totes to put this thing back on. And also in the front, it looks like we've got a little door here for the vacuum cleaner. The little attachments will plug in here, and also that'll go in there for the water. Here's a dial for the clean mode. It's either got a quick clean or a deep clean. We definitely needed the deep cleans. And then in the front there are these 5 bristle pads. These are going to rotate constantly all the time to help extract like that deep embedded pet hair, dirt, grime, all that good stuff from your carpet. It has like some air jets that help blow down in the front where it's vacuuming to help dry everything a lot quicker. But it also comes with the accessory kit here. This is what plugs into the front face. Here's your hose. You've got your trigger here to apply the detergent out of the little mister. It's got a little brush here which you can change out for kind of like a rubber nubby brush. Also comes with a bottle of detergent to get you started, which is pretty nice. The bag that it comes with is even nicer because you can put this all in a bag, and it's got a little hook so you can hang it up in your closet. Got to give them props for doing that. That's pretty smart. To take a look over here by the door, you might think that that's a before and after shot right there, and that's not. It's because the little mats we put over by the door for our shoes, that's been over the top of this for maybe, I don't know, a year or two. And that's the dirty side. This is probably still dirty too, but just not as much. We've got some more spots and stains over here by the door. Quick walk through of the hallway where everybody goes through. We got a lot more stains here, so hopefully this is all going to disappear. We're going to make this all look like brand new. Let's get started scrubbing. Let's see how it does. Let's take a look at the water here from just that one area, which was kind of clean. I mean, it wasn't that bad, and it's pretty dirty. This isn't going to be the worst though. It's going to get a lot dirtier, unfortunately. But it's making it look clean. It's looking nice. Let's keep going. And this is what it sucked back out of the carpet. And this is only on the clean area. This is the area we don't even walk on. This is not even a traffic area. Next, we're going to move over to this area here, which is really the dirty traffic area. And we're going to see what comes out of that. So let's take a look at this coming out of here. What was in there? It's pretty nasty. Oh. And this is from the water that got sucked back out. Wow, you can see it's pretty nasty. This isn't the dirtiest area of the carpet too, or it's gonna get even dirtier. Okay, so the next area we're going to concentrate on is right here, and you can see the difference right here where this was done where it's clean and it's still dirty. This has got a pretty nasty spot right here that I'm pretty sure is going to come out fully, but this is pretty filthy right here on the carpet. Let's get going on making this look like that. Let's see what came out of the bucket from that time. Ooh. Wow, would you look at this? This is looking awesome. It really is. This is transforming carpet that might otherwise have to be ripped up, thrown out on the curb, to something we can get by for a couple more years on. Each time we use the steam cleaner, it does about a maybe 10, 12 foot square area. That area in the back still has to be gone over, but this is making a dramatic improvement in very little time. So this is after that first pass with the soap and then pulling it back up. Looking really nice. And of course, here we got the supervisor sitting off to the side like, you know, he knows what to do. Not much help there. That's the first pass where we did it with cleaning. This particular steam cleaner is done much better than any other one we've had in the past. Moving on into the hallway. This is equally as nasty as everything else. Let's see how this is going to turn out after we get this clean. There we go. That's what it looks like after the first pass. Really liking the steam cleaner. It does a really good job. So after that first pass, everything does look really nice. I could just stop and leave it like this. But it's best to go over this once again with a rinse pass on it to pull out all the detergents and further get some more of that dirt out of the carpet, because as you've seen when we poured the bucket from when it pulled it up after it put it down, the water, it was still pretty black and dirty. So another fast pass, we'll see how much that pulls out as far as the dirt in the water. But here on the front there's a little dial that has wash and rinse, so I'm just simply going to turn this over to rinse so it doesn't introduce any soap while I'm doing this step, and I'm going to get started and go over everything. Once again, fast pass with a rinse. Now, did you see that little red guy there drop down? Every once in a while from the water swishing around there, that'll pull up. That's kind of like your float for when your bucket's full, but sometimes it pops up when it's not full, and you'll have to stop power, let it pop down, and then you can turn power on and continue on. Otherwise, you're not vacuuming the water back up when that's up like that. So pay attention to that while you're working and make sure that's always down. I'm all done and the carpet looks vastly improved. It's not perfect, it's not new. This is, once again, 20-year-old carpet, but the improvement that made with the Hoover over here is just remarkable. It really is. I think this is probably one of the better, or if not the best, steam cleaners we have ever used. And here, look at their bag. They thought of everything. Even at the bottom, they put a little bit of netting down there, so in case there's some moisture in there, you don't get any mold or any kind of funk down in the bag. Hallway vastly improved from where it was dirty. We are very satisfied with the new steam cleaner. They're normally about $220. On sale, it's about $180 if you can catch it on sale. Does a great job, and you know, in this day and age where everybody's a germaphobe, and especially you don't want strangers coming into your house, this is a good option to do it DIY and get this job done yourself. Next time we do it, it's going to cost us nothing but detergent alone. So I hope you enjoyed the review I have here for you and all the tips. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and as always, thanks for watching.